Hello everyone, now I'm going to show you how to set or reset the lock for this Coolife luggage. So there is a reset button here. So all you need to do is find that reset button. Some you just need to press them inside. This one you just need to turn it to the other side here where it says reset. And when this happens, you can just change into any combination. I'm gonna do 3, 3, 3, just to remember. And then you close the reset button, turn it to the other side. And with that in mind, now that's your code. Even if I change it now and close, try to open it, it doesn't open. So I go back again to 3, 3, 3. And voila, it opens.